What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So I recently made an M1 Finance portfolio update about 2 weeks ago, and I typically do these once a month, and I'm sad to say that that is going to come to an end. I'm not going to be doing these once a month anymore. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm going to be doing them twice a month now. So yeah, you get more content on the portfolio, which I started for you guys in the first place from $0 all the way to where it is right now. And if you all want to see the playlist of how this started from zero and got to where it is right now, go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist, and you guys can see exactly that. And if you all find value in this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, get your $30 from M1 Finance, link down below, and check out my Patreon, also linked down below. And let's start talking about what the heck has been going on in this portfolio. What have I been buying? How much money have I been making? And so forth. So right now, we're sitting, let's refresh this, at $15,272, and that is how much money is invested within this portfolio. And if you guys look at the top right, I have some money that's not invested. I have $900 in cash waiting to buy more stocks within this portfolio, and I actually raise money at the perfect time. And by raise money, no, I'm not a venture capitalist or some crazy crap like that. I just simply trimmed some of my positions at the best time, and one could say I timed the market correctly, because as we were at all-time highs a couple of weeks ago before the September drop, I trimmed some Tesla. I took out some money from, I believe, Disney, PayPal. I started trimming a little bit there. I even sold out of some positions, and you guys can see, if you go back on my playlist, the recent episodes, exactly what I did. And I had about $3,000, $3,500 in cash, and then boom, this whole sell-off occurred, and I've been putting that money back to work slowly but surely over the past month, and now I have, like I said, about $900 left. And overall, all time, I've made about $3,000 in this portfolio, $2,700 for market gain, and about $314 from dividends. And in the past month, we're down about $220 still, $245 for market gains, being in the red, and I made about $23 in dividends in the past month. And the past week, though, we've rebounded a lot in the past week, up $460, up about 3%. And we earned about 87 cents in dividends in the past week. I'm not exactly sure, or rather I forget where that's from. Maybe we can see that in the activity tab soon. So make sure you guys stick throughout this video. And just today alone, I'm up $123. Alibaba is up $64 today, up 3%. And look how much Baba has been up. Excuse me, guys. The past week, Alibaba for me is up $237 in the past week, up 11%. And on the month, Alibaba is still down, and I'm overall still down on the position. But it's nice seeing, at least in this account, and I do own Alibaba on other accounts, it's nice to see that we are recovering some of those losses, considering I'm in the stock at $180, and now it's sitting at about $160. So let's run through my positions quickly, then we'll go through the activities tab and see exactly what's been going on as of late, any changes I've made, and so forth. So right now, my number one position, which hasn't changed since the last episode, and I don't plan on changing this anytime soon, is VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. I currently have about $3,500 in VOO, and it's currently around 22% of my portfolio, with the goal target being around 30%. So I do have to beef this up a little bit if I do want to get it to 30%, but there's really no rush. You know, I'm averaging in every week in this account. I'm buying a little bit, nibbling here and there every week to eventually get it up to 30%. And right now, my average cost, if you guys can see, is $402 in this particular ETF. A little bit above 402.80 to be exact, and I own 8.5 shares in this particular account. And they actually do pay a dividend as well, if you guys didn't know. VOO pays a 1.3% dividend, and I do believe I just got that recently. I just hit this account. I made about $10 in dividends from them. Not too bad. And stock number 2, which hasn't changed, is Alphabet, also known as Google. This one, I'm down on the month about 3%. Nothing crazy, because overall I'm still up on the position all time. And this one's around 15% of my portfolio. My average cost right now is around $2,000 in this account. I own a little bit under 1 share, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon, guys. This is one of those stocks that I do not plan on selling. Alibaba, I own 14 shares in this account, 182 average in this particular account. And like I said, I am down on Alibaba. It's at 160 right now. I'm in at 182 in this account, so I am down a little bit, but it's okay because this is a longer term play for me. I do not plan on selling it. XLE is another one that I'm in. I've been buying it like crazy. I've been open about how I am long oil. Even when it was pulling back, I was buying it, and it's up right now about $5 per share from where I bought it. It's currently sitting at $56.48. My average cost is $51.39, and I do own about 27 shares in this particular account, and they pay a nice dividend, about 4%, a little bit under 4%, which I'm all for that. I like the dividend, and I'm not investing it because it pays a dividend. I'm investing in it because I think oil is going a lot higher, and with oil going up, you know what's going to happen? Well, the energy stocks are going to go up as well. So under that, we have Amazon, and that's pretty much my top 4. VOO, Google, Baba, and XLE. Well, I guess let's say top 5. Who the heck says top 4? Top 5 is with Amazon included in there. I own Amazon in this account at $3,100 per share. I own 0.4 shares, and I am up a little bit on Amazon, about $200 per share in this account. Under Amazon, we got some GDX, a gold miners ETF. I own this at $35 per share, and today it's doing pretty well. It's almost at $31 a share. I own 35 shares in this account. Under that, we have Disney. Own about 5 shares of Disney at a $146 average cost in this particular account. Now it's sitting at $177, so I am up a good chunk on Disney. PayPal is another one that I own. My average cost is $206. I own 3 shares in this account, and currently we're sitting at $263 per share for PayPal. Under PayPal, we have mighty old Tesla, which I own about 1 share. Average cost for me in this account is $635, and the market price is at about $785. So I am up about $150 per share on my Tesla position, and my smallest position here is MasterCard, which is right around a $325 average cost. Right now it's sitting at $355, so I am up about $30 per share on MasterCard. And going back to my portfolio to show you guys a little bit of the construction of it, MasterCard, Tesla, PayPal, Disney, and the gold miner ETF, GDX, these 5 positions are about 5% each of my portfolio. Then we start getting into my higher conviction plays. Amazon 10%, XLE 10%, Baba's 10%. So those 3 comprise of 30% right now. Actually 35, considering Baba's a bit overweight in this portfolio. Then we have Google, my favorite stock, and my biggest conviction long-term is 15%. And then we have VOO at about 30% goal. It's currently at 22%, which I just wanted as the staple of the portfolio. So that's what we're sitting at right now, guys. And let's quickly go to activity, go to dividends. Let's see what kind of money we've made from dividends the past couple of videos, or weeks rather. ExxonMobil, I think I covered this in my previous update. I got about $10 from them on the 10th of September. I got almost $12 from XLE on the 23rd of September, and I recently, on the 4th of October, just got about $11 from VOO, which again is the S&P 500 ETF that pays a roughly 1.3% dividend right now. And if we go to trading only, in this account, I've been buying a decent amount of stocks the past couple of days, weeks. As again, I said, I had $3,000 in cash, maybe a little bit more, and now I have 900. So I've been buying in this account. I haven't taken a single dime out of this account, and I don't plan on doing so. And you guys can see in October alone, since the last update, or actually in September as well, we had some buys at the end of September. I bought Amazon, Google, VOO. I bought, let's see here, Alibaba, XLE on the 1st of October. Actually, no, that was on the 4th of October. I bought more on the 5th of October of VOO and Amazon. I bought more XLE in this account today, $100 worth. I've just been buying, a lot of buying, not a lot of selling the past couple of weeks. And if I go back a bit, actually you can't really specify your sells, or maybe you can. Let's see here. This is when I was selling some stocks, August, early September, before the big sell-off. Let's see here. Here you guys can see the big sells that I had. I sold a lot of stocks on August 10th. I sold about $575 worth. On August 13th, I sold about $3,000 worth. On the 16th, I sold $1,600 worth. So that is where I was raising my cash, mid-late August, heading into early September, which again is why I said I timed it pretty perfectly, and that doesn't always happen, but in this situation, it did, guys. So overall, that is a quick update. How much time are we in here? About 10 minutes, probably 11 minutes. So yeah, I'll wrap it up there. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, and make sure to get your $30 from M1 Finance. Literally, it's free money. All you have to do is use my link down below, deposit 100, which then you can take it out once you get your $30, and you get $30. I also get $30. It's pretty much free money. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out my Patreon as well if you all want my buys, sells, call-outs, all in real time, morning update videos, plus more. That's linked down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching again. As always, keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out.